As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two Char-Broil portable grills, the Grill2Go X200, ASIN B00 BFPM Li8, and the one-burner portable, ASIN B01 KJGBC6A. Both seem good, but what are the real differences?
Okay, let's dive in. The Grill2Go X200 is currently priced higher at around $148, while the one burner is about $89. So price is a big difference right off the bat.
Yeah, I noticed that. Is the Grill2Go worth the extra cash?
Well, the Grill2Go boasts Charbroil's TRU-Infrared cooking system, which supposedly eliminates flare-ups and cooks food more evenly. And it has a temperature gauge built into the lid, which the one burner also has.
Okay, that sounds nice. What about size and cooking area?
The one burner actually has a slightly larger cooking area, 240 square inches versus the Grill2Go's 200. So you can grill a few more burgers on it.
Interesting. Are they both easy to move around?
They're both designed to be portable, but the Grill2Go weighs slightly less, around 20 pounds, while the one burner is a bit heavier at 21.3 pounds. The dimensions are pretty close, though. The one burner is wider at 24.8 versus the Grill2Go's 23.7.
What about BTU output? Is one hotter than the other?
Both grills have a 9,500 BTU burner, so they should produce similar heat. Keep in mind, BTU isn't everything. It's more about fuel consumption.
Right, makes sense. Anything else that sets them apart?
The Grill2Go has stainless steel grilling grates, while the one burner has porcelain-coated wire grates. Some people prefer stainless steel for its durability and ease of cleaning. And the Grill2Go has videos showing that it can be converted for use with a larger 20 pounds propane tank.
So it sounds like the Grill2Go is a bit more premium with the infrared cooking and stainless steel grates, but the one burner gives you more cooking space for less money.
Exactly. It really comes down to what you value most. If you want the latest tech and are willing to pay extra, the Grill2Go is a good choice. But if you're on a budget and just need a basic, reliable portable grill, the one burner is a solid option.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.